So I'm the link between the trainer and the team on the ground doing the installations. I also ensure that I pair the teams according to their experience and the expertise in the furniture installations.
And we want to be one of the most reliable partners that we can ever have in this world, if not Kenya alone.
One of the ways we evaluate a successful project is when we complete the exercise within or before the set target or timelines, and the client is left happy and satisfied.